Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update BLE onboarding flows for iOS and Android, complete guide step by step clearly. To start updating BLE onboarding flows for iOS and Android, gather your development tools. Ensure you have the latest versions of Xcode and Android Studio installed. Begin with iOS by opening your Xcode project. Locate the onboarding flow in your project files. Review the current BLE connection process. Identify areas for improvement, such as user guidance or error handling. Update the user interface to enhance clarity. Incorporate a progress indicator for connection status. Add instructional text to assist users during the onboarding process. Next, implement any new BLE API changes in your iOS code. Test the onboarding flow on various iOS devices. Now, switch to your Android project in Android Studio. Open the onboarding activity that handles BLE connections. Analyze the current user experience and identify gaps. Enhance the UI elements for better visibility and engagement. Consider implementing a tutorial feature for first-time users. Update the BLE connection logic to match the latest Android SDK recommendations. Test the onboarding flow on a diverse range of Android devices. Pay special attention to Android permissions related to BLE. Conduct usability testing with real users to gather feedback. Iterate on the feedback and make necessary adjustments. Finally, ensure that both iOS and Android projects are consistent in their BLE onboarding experience. Document all updates clearly for future reference. Review your code for any remaining issues before final deployment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.